Hi, I'm Andy BULSON, Sales Manager at Rotochopper. One of the best parts of my job is being able to get out on the road and visit many of our Rotochopper customers. It's great to be able to learn more about their business, how they use their Rotochopper equipment, and the end products they create to support their business. Recently, on a demo run through California, we had the opportunity to spend a day with one of our B66L customers, Diamond D in Woodland, California. Spencer Defty is a prime example of an entrepreneur that has been able to grow and adapt his business to meet growing markets.
My name is Spencer Defty. I'm with Knotty Wood Barbeque Company, and we are a Northern California-based company that repurposes orchard wood into a premium barbecue pellet for the pellet smoking industry. There's something known as the PDI, Pellet Density Index, and in that PDI we are considered probably the densest pellet on the market. For instance, Barbecue News did a head-to-head independent testing with our pellet against the leading brands and found out that at 225 degrees, we burn 220 minutes longer per 20-pound bag, and that's attributed to the density of the pellet and the quality of the pellet. Through the Defty Farms entity, we partnered with a company known as Rotochopper, and they make grinders and wood processing equipment, and we had a long vetting process, and Rotochopper came out on top on that vetting process. We chose the Rotochopper B66L. We have a lot of experience in the heavy construction equipment, and we believe that no matter how good anybody's equipment is, it's the service that matters. I can say without question that Rotochopper, by far of all the OEMs we deal with, has been the most engaged in customer service. When we have an issue, they consider our issue their issue, and so they get us up. And they really understand that we really are directly tied together in this business, that our success equals their success, and their success equals our success. The Rotochopper is our go-to primary grinding machine.
Thanks again, Spencer. We appreciate you taking the time to share more about your experience with Rotochopper. Also, keep your eye out for an upcoming video on the community impact Spencer has made through his organization, Patriots for Veterans. This organization is a prime example of how so many of our Rotochopper customers give back to their communities in different, impactful ways.